on a car with an electronic parking brake, you have to put the parking brake in service mode in order to actually change the brakes. So if you're doing that yourself, you need this tool. And you can press open to brake calipers in service mode, and then when you're done changing the brakes, press close again to put them in the normal operation. You can also do battery registration. When you replace the 12-volt battery, you can just you have to tell the car that it's replaced. So it's a simple procedure, single click, just start, and then the car will know that a new battery has been installed. And detailed ECU info just reads part numbers and various other information about each module in the car and displays it. So here you've got the information about all the modules in the car, their part numbers, their software version. Some have a calibration ID or other information like mileage. Just whatever is relevant to each module in the car or each ECU is displayed here. And from some of this information you can probably find out whether there's a software update that you might need, or just, you know, looking at what modules you have in the car might be useful as well. And it also displays fault codes that are found in each module.